the variation that starts on second inversion. So we have C. Second inversion means that the fifth, we're on page 40 by the way, the fifth of the chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G, is going to be on the bottom. And then from here to G in root position. A minor in root position, F in first inversion. So for that one, there are two notes in common. So just look for the closest F, and that's near that E. So that goes up to F, and that's your F in first inversion. Let's play that again. Let's chunk it twice each, 2 beats per chord. Ready, and G, A minor, got it? And C, we like C. C is lovely. So now we go to the second variation where the C chord 1 starts in root position, then G goes to first inversion, A minor in first inversion, F in second inversion. So notice that from chord 6 to 4 is always just one note that changes, right? And the note that changes is the note that takes you, what do I want to say here? I guess what I want to say is that on the 4 chord, you're looking for the root of the 4 chord. So from the A minor, you're going to be looking for the root of F. So one way of figuring this out is like, which note here is closest to F? And that's the one that's moving, right? Sorry. All right, let's chunk it. 2 chords per, 2 repetitions per chord. Ready, and one more time. C going to G, A minor, and F. Got it? It's peasy? All right, let's go to the next key. Let's go circle of fifths backwards. So if C, going to the circle of fifths backwards, what's the next key?
F.
F. So we have F. Let's start F in second inversion. So here's F in root. First inversion. Second inversion. So F is 1. And by the way, for the quiz, you will be allowed to look at the chord symbols, you know, so make sure you're looking at the chord symbols. And if you want to notate like the slashes to help you remember the inversions, that's totally fine. So F second inversion, going to C in root position, D minor in root. Now the chord 4 is B flat. We're here in D minor, and A is the closest note to B flat. So just move that A up to find the B flat. One more time, F in second, C in root, D minor, B flat. Let's chunk it. Ready, and again. right, let's do the other variation where we start F in root position. Ready? Oh, no, let's go through it first actually. So F in root position, C in first inversion, so it's C/E, D minor /F, B flat /F. Again, we have F in root, C in first inversion, D minor in first inversion, B flat in second inversion. Let's chunk it. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D minor, how'd it go? Next key. So we went C, we're going backwards in the circle of fifths. We went C, F. What is the next key?
B flat.
B flat. Here's B flat in root position. Second inversion will be B flat /F. Then we're going to go to F in root position, G minor in root position, E flat in first inversion. One more time, B flat in second inversion, F in root position, G minor in root position, E flat with the G on the bottom. Let's chunk it. This time let's do 4 counts per chord. So that you guys, so if you are still taking time to finding your chords, as we chunk, you can just hold on to the chord until we figure out what the next one is. But if you're ready to chunk, you can chunk it. Ready. And B flat for 4. F. G minor. E flat. One more time. B flat. F in root. G minor in root. E flat. Alrighty, now let's do the same thing but starting in root position. Here's B flat in root. F will be in first inversion, so it's F/A. Pinky stays up there. Now we need to find A and C at the bottom here. Everything moves up in parallel motion for G minor. And E flat. Middle note moves up for E flat in second inversion. E flat/B flat. Again, B flat in root. F with the A on the bottom. G minor with the B flat on the bottom. E flat with B flat on the bottom. Let's chunk it. Ready. 4 chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. F over A. over B flat. E flat over B flat. How'd it go? All right, now we're gonna go to the other side of the circle of fifths. We played C. What is a fifth above C? G. So make sure for the quiz that you have all your chord symbols written out. So G in second inversion will be G over what? D. 5 chord is D in root. 6 chord is Z minor in root. What is the 4 chord of G?
C.
C in first inversion is C over E. Let's play that. So we have G. Here's G in root position. G in first inversion. G in second inversion. So G in second inversion goes to D in root. Goes to E in root. Then the top note moves up to get C over E. One more time, G over D. D in root. E minor in root. C over E. Let's chunk it. Let's do 3 beats per chord. Why not? Play a waltz. 1, 2, 3. One more time. To E minor and C. All right, second variation, G in root position. Chord 5 will be D. So we have G in root position. Chord 5 is D slash what? F sharp, because it's first inversion. Then we have E minor slash what? G. Yes. And then we have a C in second inversion. So C slash what?
G.
G. So here we have G in root. D with F sharp on the bottom. Everything moves up to E minor with the G on the bottom. And then C with the G on the bottom. Let's chunk it. Ready. And 3 chords. 2, 3, and D. Feel. Last key. Key of D. So D is 1 in second inversion, that's D slash A. A in root position. B minor in root position. G slash B. So D major looks like so. We're gonna take that A and put it on the bottom, and that's your D in second inversion. Then we go to A in root position, B minor in root position, and G with the B on the bottom. One more time, D with the A on the bottom, A in root position, B minor in root position, and G with the B on the bottom. Let's chunk it 4 times per chord. Ready? Go! Time, and D, going to A, Alrighty, last variation of our review for the quiz. So now in the key of D, if we start in root position, we go to A in first inversion, which is A slash what? A slash D? Anybody disagrees? First inversion. E would be second inversion. C sharp. And then B minor in first inversion is B minor slash D. And G in second inversion is G slash D. So here's root position D. To find A with C sharp on the bottom, pinky stays there, thumb goes down to C sharp, middle note goes down to E. Here's A in first inversion. B minor in first inversion, everything moves up by 1. And then for the G chord, the F sharp moves up to G. Let's chunk it. 1. Actually, let's just go through it one more time. So here's D. Make sure, check it out. Look at my right hand here. Most people have a tendency of playing really on the tip of the keys, you know. And then when you're trying to do like something with the thumb on a black key, then you really overstretch your wrist. So make sure that your hand starts off kind of in the middle of the keys already. So when your thumb goes to the C sharp, see my wrist doesn't need to move at all, right? So D in root, your thumb is going to go down to C sharp without messing up your wrist and your shoulders. Everything goes up by 1 for B minor. And then G over D. Let's chunk it 4 times per chord. Ready? Go. B minor goes up. G stays there. One more time.